Hi friends, today let's learn how to send NDI signal to capture visualizer from an external software. I hope you have seen my previous time-coded light show. If you haven't seen, go and check it. I'll add the link in the description. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button too. Today I'm using Resolume Arena. I'm going to send the Resolume Arena NDI signal to capture visualizer and map it. I'm using Capture Visualizer Student Edition 2021 and the Resolume Arena. I'll show you I have already mapped. As you can see, I'm sending this green background. You can change the color if you want to show you. Put white. So as you can see, I have already mapped. So this is my screens. So I can select. I have selected all screens. To set up the Resolume, go to Output and click Network Streaming NDI, then go to Advanced. In Advanced, select your output screen and device, select NDI, then save and close. When you switch on NDI in Resolume, you can automatically detect the NDI's input signals. You can see here Arena Composition and Arena Screen 1. If you're seeing the NDI signals, that means already the NDI signal is coming to the capture. And then what we have to do is we have to go to Design, then Materials. So in Material, I'll show you the one that I have already created, Screen. When you come to Texture Media, you can see here I have given SHASHI Lights NDI Input Arena Screen 1. If there's nothing mapped here, what we can do is in Materials, select this screen and drag and drop to the surface that you need to map. Put some graphic and then map material, map to extents. See, now you can see it's mapped properly. When we change the content in Resolume, it changes in Capture Visualizer. So as I always say, if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below and contact me. I'll do my best to support you. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Till we meet with new knowledge to share, keep in touch and keep learning every day. God bless you.